Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork belly curry. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this delicious dish. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of skin-on pork belly, cut into 2-inch pieces. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Don't forget 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. These form the foundation of our rich curry. Next, we'll prepare our star ingredient, the pork belly. Heat a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Add the pork belly pieces and sear them until they are beautifully golden brown on all sides. This crucial step not only renders some of the fat, but also builds incredible depth of flavor. Once browned, remove the pork belly and set it aside. Then, carefully drain any excess fat from the pot, leaving just about 2 tablespoons to continue our cooking process. Now let's build the aromatic heart of our curry. In the same pot with the reserved fat, sauté your minced garlic, grated ginger, and chopped onion until they become soft and wonderfully fragrant. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of your chosen curry paste and cook it for 1 minute, allowing its flavors to bloom. Then, pour in 1 can of rich, full-fat coconut milk, stirring well to combine everything. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. For the final stage, return the beautifully browned pork belly pieces to the pot, nestling them into the fragrant curry sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, ensuring it maintains a very light bubble. Cover the pot and let it cook slowly for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the pork belly is incredibly tender and almost melts in your mouth. Serve this rich, comforting pork belly curry piping hot, ideally alongside a generous portion of fluffy steamed jasmine rice. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.